In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix err_proxy_connection_failed no internet connection in Google Chrome. First thing you want to do is you want to go here and type in cmd, right click, run as administrator, and here we're going to run some commands. So first command is ipconfig //DNS. Run this command. Then you want to run another command here, ipconfig /release, and press enter. Then you want to type in the next command. So the third command you want to type in is ipconfig /renew. Then you want to type in another command, that is netshint ipsetDNS. And lastly, type in ipconfig /register DNS. Press enter, and once it finishes loading, you can close this down. Now you want to go here and type in control panel. So in here, you want to go to the network and sharing. So here, go to network and sharing center. Find your internet, click on it. And here you want to make sure you go to properties. And here you want to go down here until you find the Internet Protocol version 4. Then go to properties and go to use the following DNS server. So you want to go to this one, 8.8. So this one should be 8, then 8, and then 8. 8, 8, and then 4, 4. After that, you want to press OK. So press OK, and then press OK, and then just close this down. Now what you want to do, you want to go to settings, go to internet. So here you will go to internet, and let's go to internet proxy settings. So you want to make sure you go to proxy settings. So this is inside of internet and network, and you will find here proxy settings, and here you will make sure that use a proxy server is turned off. Make sure this is turned off, and you can just close this down, restart your computer, and your issue is fixed.